In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter trades on MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open MT5 and sign into your account you want to use for trading. So I'm currently inside a demo account over here. And then you want to go and find the asset or symbol you want to trade. I just went with BTC USD over here, so Bitcoin. And then, of course, from here, what you can do to enter trades, you could go to your chart and click on either new order up top or press the F9 key on your keyboard, and it's going to open up the trading window. Now, there's actually a few ways to actually open this up, but that's just basically the most basic way. Then from here, you want to select your order type, you want to select your symbol, the volume you want to purchase, a stop loss, and a take profit, of course, are optional if you want to add them. Then you have the fill policy, and you could also add comments to your order, and then just click on either buy or sell, and that's really all you have to do to essentially enter a trade on MT5 or MetaTrader 5. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.